Om Shri Sai Ram. This is Ramyashri. I am going to tell about Baija Amma and her service to Sai Baba. Sai Baba, in the earlier days of his stay at Shirdi, spent his time either wandering in the outskirts of Shirdi village and neighboring thorny shrubs or sitting under the neem tree in the meditation with detachment. The first set of villagers who treated Baba as a saintly person were Malsapati, Tatya Kote, Baijabai, and few others. Baijabai felt deeply motivated by Baba as a divine saint, and with her motherly affection, she used to walk daily on every noon, many miles in the jungle, trampling bushes and shrubs in search of him, carrying food in a basket on her head. Often she found Baba sitting under some time in deep meditation, calm and motionless. She would boldly approach him, place a leaf before him, and spread on the leaf bread, vegetables, etc., and force him to eat. And then only she used to return to her home for her food. She was the attention she was paying towards Baba, and she was the first person to take care of Baba in feeding him. After some time, as though out of compassion for her, Baba stopped wandering here and there in the forest and moved into a duplicated mosque in the outskirts of the village and named the mosque where he resident till the end as Dwarakamai, the abode of Lord Sri Krishna. At about 8 a.m., Baba would start on his begging rounds for alms. Initially, Baba used to seek alms as many as 15 times daily from Baija Bai's house. He went to the houses of Ganpati Tatya Patel, Appaji Patel, Shankar Ram, Vaman Rao, and Nanduram Manwadi with affection and reverence. All these householders were offering food as and when Baba approached them, even once or more than once in every day. As they offered food without expecting any return from Baba, they were very happy in their lives and their desires fulfilled with the grace of Baba. Baba had a different way calling for alms at each of the house which he begged. He would say, Allah acha karega and bless the housewives. He would say, Bhaija Amma, roti lao, give food, get the roti. At the house of Bhaija Amma. Bhaija Bai's house were adjacent to the masjid. She came to Shirdi after she married a rich landlord, Ganpati Rao Kote Patel. Bhaija Amma and her husband Ganpati Rao were the first people who observed the divine nature of Baba and his radiant in nature. Both of them treated Baba as their own son. Baba also looked at Bhaija Bai as his mother. At that time, the powerful villagers were opposed to Baba, treating him as a mad fakir. She was a dutiful and loving wife who did all the household chores. Besides these domestic duties, she loved to cook and feed various guests and relatives that used to come to their house. She considered food as Brahma and was the first lady to offer food to Baba. When he came to Shirdi in the earlier days, in the Hemad Panth, Sri Sai Sat Charitra, there is a very good description about her love, devotion, and attachment paid to Baba. Baba did not ask for dakshina from the beginning, and it was Baijabai and her husband who provided money for the needs of Baba. Baijabai requested Baba several times to have meals in their house. Very rarely, Baba entered their house for meals. In one such occasion, Rambai Bhai, once of Tatya's wife, served the Baba to attend and stood in a corner in the house and listened to the conversation between Baba and Baijabai. While in the conversation, Baijabai inquired about Baba's earlier years and asked about Baba's family members or their whereabouts, but no clue or even a hint came from Baba. She also required about Baba's religion, caste, and parents, and but Baba did not give any passing hint about these matters. Daily Baba took Diksha from houses. As soon as she heard Baba's voice, she left whatever she was doing, whether it was attending to the cattle or horses or any other work. She would stop that work forthwith and went inside and prepared fresh bread for Baba and vegetable curry for him. Baba was very much pleased with her love, devotion, and attention. Baba did not ask anything from Baija Amma. Om Shri Sai Ram.